Okay, we're out here on the Gantz Ranch. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Very still day, sunny outside, about 70 degrees. We heard some gobbling down here and some around the cottonwoods. We're going to see if we can get one to answer. Maybe a hot tom's walking around, so we're going to go see what we can find. Okay, got some right there. I just set up 3 decoys. I'm going to get over here. They're gobbling about 100 yards away. They're coming down this creek. I'm going to set up right over here. They're gobbling. Well, what a hunt here at Gantz Ranch. I mean, you can't ask for a better hunt. Me and Mike located these 3 toms coming down through a creek, and we set up and they came right in. And I mean, you know you're at a good hunting place when an elk behind us holds them up for a little bit. These birds stopped behind some brush and got hung up a little bit because an elk was just 10 yards behind us. In fact, on our way in here, we jumped an elk. So what a great place, what a great hunt. These birds that elk finally moved on. These birds came through right here. This bird has got a nice 9-inch beard, a paintbrush beard. That's a big one. I'd say he goes 20+ pounds. He's a heavy bird. Nice fan. Just what a hunt here at Gantz Ranch. If you can ever get a chance to come out here, see elk, you can see turkey, very pretty, as you can see behind me. Some nice creek beds and roosting areas, but what a great hunt here. Nice bird, paintbrush beard, right here at Gantz Ranch.